Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basics so you can focus on repair steps fast. Plug the DualSense Edge into a known good USB-C port and charge for at least 30 minutes. This rules out low power symptoms. Once done, perform a power cycle by holding the PS button and create for 10 seconds to reset firmware states. Visually inspect triggers, paddles, thumbsticks, and the USB-C port for debris, bent pins, or loose components. This narrows what to fix next. You now open the controller to access the root causes. Remove the 4 screws and gently separate the rear shell with a plastic prying tool to avoid scratching or cracking. Once exposed, use compressed air to blow out dust. Then lightly swab connectors and contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol to remove grime. Let dry fully. Make sure ribbon cables and the battery connector are firmly seated, and check the trigger and paddle linkages for misalignment before reassembly. You finish by carefully reassembling and validating operation. Reseat the battery and align the shell, then tighten screws until snug. Do not over-tighten. Once assembled, pair the controller to your console or PC and systematically test paddles, sticks, buttons, and adaptive triggers to confirm fixes. If issues persist, update the controller firmware or swap the identified faulty module, such as a joystick or USB board. This often resolves persistent malfunctions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.